Great. Hi, my name is Catherine Schlegel. I work with the Colorado chapter of the Nature Conservancy.
I'm Teresa Chapman. I also work there.
And I'm Parker with the Nature Conservancy.
And we've come out here today to answer one of those questions that is perennial in conservation. How do trees do after we plant them? Do they survive? So we'll be looking at how to monitor the trees over the next 1 to 5 years to look at how these trees planted today are doing in the dry climates of Colorado.
So we'll be following volunteers around throughout the day and putting little individual tags, and then taking a GPS point for each tree and mapping sites and then monitoring them.
Great.
And over time, you're going to keep coming back and taking measurements?
Yep.
Yeah.
Awesome.
We're mainly just looking at survivorship. So what percentage survive?
After 5 years?
After 1 year,
after
after
1
2
year.
years,
Okay.
after 3 years, hopefully after 5 years.
All right, long term.